Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video for installing a rear view mirror in our 1979 Ford Bronco Custom. This is an original looking style mirror. It's got the milled back. It's not billeted. It does have day and nighttime usage. I did get it through LMC truck, and it came with the silicone glue for mounting the stud.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
Just take this stud out and it will mount like so that when we go up on there, you can slide this, lock it back in on the glass. So we'll unscrew it here. So we'll only be gluing this, but it's good to measure and check, make sure that it clears your visors and it's centered up and high up how it should be. Okay, so I'm just going to use some blue painter's tape to give me an idea of how far down it needs to be. So this is the side that we'll put the silicone glue on, and I'm going to grab some gloves. So we got it set. It's not sliding, it looks like. I'm just keeping an eye on it. Did put probably a little bit too much silicone on there. I just wanted to make sure it stuck though. Whatever's left over, I'll just take a razor blade and clean it up, make sure that it is all off of there before I snap the mirror on there. It didn't really give me a drying time for the silicone. I'm gonna guess at least like an hour maybe. Let it set up. For me personally, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight before I snap the new mirror on. Hey guys, it's the next day and we've allowed our mirror bracket to dry overnight. It should be solid and hanging on there well. Let's check it out. There's a little bit of movement on it. I think they're pretty heavy on the silicone. Should be solid enough for us to clean up around it. I'm gonna use this razor blade to clean up the excess silicone around it before we put the new mirror on. Shoot. Well, pulled right off, and I think I might have had too much silicone on it. Clean that off, and we'll attempt to re-glue it one more time. Looks much better since I put a thin layer of silicone glue on there. And it seems to be dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrape around it and then test fit the mirror. I'm just gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite on the screw. A little hard to tell with the light in the back seat, but got it up there. Got it on. Mounted up. I just need to clean the glass up a little bit, but other than that, it looks really good up there. It looks much better than not having a mirror, which I needed to pass inspection. So we'll let this dry a little bit more before we drive around, but overall, it's mounted up and ready to roll. Hope you enjoyed this how-to video. If you liked it, please smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.